Hello and welcome everybody in today's video, and I'll be showing you how to deposit BNB into your Metamask wallet from Binance. Quickly before that, I'd like to introduce to our today's sponsors, MEXC Global. Trade crypto fast and easily on their platform. The link is down in the description below. Check them out. I'm pretty sure you'll like them. Also, FTMO, our affiliates, they will let you trade with other people's money and keep up to 90% of the profits for yourself. That's right. But you have to prove to them that you're a professional trader and that you can trade responsibly and know what you're actually doing. That's a lot of money, guys. They can give you up to 200k to trade with. So yeah. Alright, so filling your Metamask wallet with BNB. How to do that? Well, it's actually quite easy. Go to wallet on the top right in your browser menu from Binance. Click overview. Wait for it to load. And depending where your assets are, go to find fiat and spot. In my case, find BNB. There it is, or just type it here. And click withdraw. From here, you must paste the address of your Metamask wallet, which is this one. You just click it, left click it. Be sure to be on the smart chain, the Binance smart chain. Just click it and you have copied it and paste it here, and it automatically recognizes that it's a Binance smart chain, so you don't have to do that manually, which is good. I was just going to explain that you must select the Binance smart chain, not any other chain, because that won't make the transaction valid and you may end up losing your money, but it seems they've taken care of that and now it's selected automatically, which is good. I haven't done this in a bit. So you have a minimum amount that you can deposit. I will deposit 0.04 BNB, and when I click withdraw, they'll be sent to my Metamask wallet. As you see, Binance Smart Chain selected this transfer network. Few platforms support it, so they're making note of that. And please confirm that you're sending it to basically the same network, which you must do as always. Click confirm, and you can read all the risk about this yourself. I'll just leave it here on the screen for a moment and click confirm, and there's your withdrawal, guys. So I'll just need to do these quick verifications before I head on out that. Alright, did them, and they should be in my wallet in about 5 minutes. Still haven't arrived, but that's pretty much it, guys. Nothing so complicated. Don't worry about it. Just make sure you paste the correct wallet in there and you don't screw up the chain. But it seems you can't do that anymore. Alright, remember, this isn't any financial advice. Good luck and see you next time.